Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Mule and today I'm going to give a paper presentation on application of Lean Agile approach for medical wearable device development. The goal of this paper is to develop a medical wearable device using software development hybrid approach of Lean and Agile together for fast development, accurate security of data and quality product. The paper is published in 2019 14th Annual Conference of Systems of Systems Engineering. The author of this paper are Natalia Glaskova, Clement Fortin, Tatina Podlocheva of Sklokova Institute of Science and Technology in Moscow, Russia. So the overview of this will be the first introduction part, second how Internet of Things will be used to create a medical wearable device, the different benefits of agile method for development, lean method for development, and the hybrid approach of lean and agile together. Then we'll discuss about the future work and challenges along with conclusion. Let's start with the introduction part. To speed up the development of different medical products in medical industries, which is already going through different changes, it needs to start using different software approaches which can improve the performance of the product development. One of the solutions suggested is use of intelligence to prevent and predict the disease before getting affected by it. The approach used here is hybrid lean agile for the software development of health wearable devices because it's fast, flexible and quick process. The stakeholders over here is physician, payers and patients. Medical wearables for Internet of Things. Now the use of mobile health technologies has increased so far for even preventing early diagnosis as well as treatment by using information technology and machine learning. One of such system is the Internet of Medical Things, which is a multi-subsystem. The first stage of it is medical body area network. In this stage, the data regarding the ECG, blood pressure, oxygen level, glucose, temperature of a person is been passed through a gateway which can be a mobile device or as a Wi-Fi connection and is stored in a storage which can be a cloud service, medical server or a medical database. The next stage is integration and interoperability subsystem. Now this system connects the devices for further integration to the main system. That may be an hospital, a doctor or even a 911 emergency. The next step is application service subsystem. Whatever solution for this issue which will be available in the database will be provided to the customer. The final stage is cybersecurity subsystem. As this field is related to medical and patient's data is very critical and it cannot be shared with anyone other than patient, the security of patient's data is taken into consideration in this subsystem. Agile method for development. The main characteristics of Agile is that it is customer centric as well as it supports the interaction between systems. The main goal of Agile is to find errors, learn about it, and then improve the system. Agile can be advantageous in this project because of the below functions. First, the communication is very good. It gives sufficient time to make changes suggested by customers. It is a very fast development process as well as using Agile or implementing it is very less costly. The main challenge faced over here is quality. The quality becomes very important as we deals with patients' health. So maintaining the quality during the entire process is very important. Next comes the lean method for development. The characteristics of lean are eliminate waste during plan phase. It helps in proper management of resources as well as it reduces the time for wait. The main goal is to reduce production cycle as well as it helps in testing with different iterations and help in the release of early product. The advantages is the time for development of the product will be reduced. The initial cost of development will also be less. The challenge which we faced in Agile regarding quality, it will be reduced and the failure of the product will be eliminated. This will help to learn new features very fast and quickly. The challenges faced by Lean are the developer need to create multiple product cycle from each step again and again, and this can be very difficult while implementing Lean, but this could be a benefit of Agile through iteration. Hence, we have decided to use hybrid approach of Lean and Agile together. The benefits will be the development time for the product is improved as well as the wastage will be eliminated. The major customers of medical wearable devices are final users, that is hospital and patients, manufacturing sites, regulatory agencies like FDA CE mark which will be used for the verification of the product. The main process which needs to be taken care during this development of medical variable is maintaining the quality of product because it deals with the patient's health. If the data is been wrong or if a wrong solution is been uh, provided to the customer, this will lead to a big health hazard. So to maintain that, quality management is very important and it should be implemented in different phases in Lean Agile approach. The different phases of Lean Agile approach. The first phase is concept and feasibility study. It helps in collecting of all the data regarding the product as well as helps to understand the customer's need. Simple solutions and prototypes will be provided to the customer for the proposed problem statement. Fast learning of the product will be required in this stage. Second stage is the planning stage. The team checks for the various techniques as well as the technology used in the medical field. Multiple prototypes will be created using iteration. Final solution for the problem will also be decided. The output of this phase will be a design document and plan for the development of product. The third stage is the development stage. The product prototype is developed with minimum value because it won't be used by humans. The testing is done for the prototype in lab controlled environment. The product will be developed, tested, and changes will be made for all the mistakes using iteration. These are the diagrammatic representation of various phases of agile and lean approach. Stage is the verification stage. In this stage, all the requirements provided by the customer are already met. Efficiency for the prevention of problems and errors is being taken care in this stage. Before the first customer enrolls into the program, all the product prototype needs to be completed. All the data of the results should be documented and whatever changes are being made should also be documented. The fifth stage is the pre-production and validation stage. The design of the product is confirmed along with its safety and validation in this stage. Pre-clinical trials are now being initiated. Section 510K is submitted to FDA 90 days before the release date, which is also known as pre-market notification. The sixth and the final stage is the production stage. In this stage, the product is already been started to produced, taking care into all the specification of the product. Safety and performance of the product will always remain the most important thing. Future plan and challenges. The future plan can be used to develop sense to beat ECG patch for electrocardiogram detection. The other future plan I could think of is it can be used in our fitness band, which controls our daily physical activity as well as heart rate. The challenges we face during this production will be the limitation of time, limitation of scope, as well as the limitation of initial setup. Conclusion. Most industries need to keep security and design plan into consideration. Product needs to be changed continuously as in medicals, the customer requirements also keep on changing. Industries are developing products which can be made available to the customer and which could benefit them with a faster response. There are various software development processes which can be used to develop the software. Before deciding any approach, the developer just have to understand the basic process phases of each software development method. In this paper, the hybrid agile method was taken into consideration because agile could help in saving the time as well as in fast development, whereas the lean would help in reducing the wastage. It was also helpful in achieving certification process, that is FDA CE mark, for verification of the product. These are the references. Thank you.